Shubor naka Snem jong unong san Hima.
Ka Shillong Commerce College, kan Rakhe ya ka Diamond Jubilee, da ka Pynlong ya ka Jingïakop Mareh, 10K run ha ka arpo artarik ubanay nailar hajar apun rio hanong ba Shillong. Habaya kren chigla pathay kubor ha Shillong Press Club minta kasi tho ding unong hikay ka Shillong Commerce College uba Punjab thiaw nongrum. Ulay thu ba ya ka Shillong Commerce College laseng ya ka ha Snem jar khandai spa anriu punyo. Bat ka Jingthmu ban seng ya ka nika college kalong ban kentiu ya ka puli puthi. Bat ha ka Jingya denti ka college kaya kendu shibun ki at ki them jong ka college. Hendrei kat badang ya ki Snem ki sngi ki samla ki lawan ban puli bat phai khmat ha ka subject commerce. Bat ka phang jong ka nika Jubilee ka day. Ka pateng ni ka juk jong ka jingnang jing start ka jingpin ko bor ya ka laway. Ha ka ni ka Jingïakop Mareh thong kadon lai kardan kata kiba hapo Henry Snem ka karta shapo bakhan Henry Snem shajrong bat san po Snem ka karta shajrong kadon ru ka song pisa na kabenta ka first prize kade shipo hajar tingka ka second prize kade hinyo hajar san spa tingka bat ka third prize kade san hajar tingka kani ka Jingïakop ka play la dia baro banishim benta bat ka college ka khmi lenti ka jingishim benta ka bashirhem na ki padba Kinong ishim benta kila ban penrung kerteng lingba ka online da ka balet siya ka website jong ka Shillong Commerce College. Ka Jing Mareh 10K kan sedang na Shillong Commerce College bat kanya lingba ka St. Mary's College lat umkra. Fire Brigade, Dhangiti, Barik Point, bat Anjali Cinema Hall, bat litpai biang sa Shillong Commerce College.
Very good afternoon to everyone present here. As part of our Diamond Jubilee celebration, as part of our Shillong Commerce College Diamond Jubilee celebration, we, the Marathon Organizing Committee of the Diamond Jubilee celebration, we are here to announce that we will be organizing the Diamond Jubilee Run to 2026 on 22nd of August. So with our team, Empowering Youth, Strengthening Minds, we are here to announce an initiative that goes beyond a sporting event. It is a movement that seeks to raise awareness about one of the most pressing issues affecting the youth today, that is mental health. Through this event, we aim to send a clear message that mental health matters and that no one should have to struggle alone. This run is more than just a test of physical endurance. It is a symbol of resilience, unity, and collective responsibility. We believe that a healthy society is built on healthy minds, and investing in the mental well-being of our youth is like an investment in the future of our nation. And also to the media, we extend special appeal. We request your support in helping us spread awareness and to reduce the stigma on mental health. And also, as we prepare for this event, we are inviting everyone not only to participate but also to become ambassadors for mental health, be it in your homes, at work, or in your classrooms. So now I'll be sharing some of the details, the logistics of this run. Okay, the run, like I said, it will be held on 22nd of August 2026, and the time is 6 a.m. The mode of registration is online. It's through online mode, and anyone who is wishing to register themselves can visit the official page of Shillong Commerce College on Instagram, or they can contact us, and we can send the registration link through WhatsApp. The run is 10-kilometer run, and we are giving cash prizes to the winners, with the first prize being 10,000 rupees, second prize 7,500 rupees, and the third prize is 5,000 rupees. And And also we have different categories for this one. The first category being under 16, the second category above 16 years, and the third category above 50. And also the duration of this run is 1.5 hours, 1 hour 30 minutes. So we will also be giving finisher medals to those who finish this run within this stipulated time, that is 1 hour 30 minutes. We will be giving medals, certificates, and e-certificates also. With these few words, thank you.
This one from venue?
Venue. Okay, so the starting and finishing point of this run will be from Shillong Commerce College only. And we will be covering areas from Shillong Commerce College. We will be going to Rakhe. Then Rakhe will be going to Fire Brigade, then Dan Piti, then Mareh Point, then we will take a loop near the Angeles Cinema loop. Then from that we will be returning to the same route. Then back to Shillong Commerce College.
It is just a one-day run, right?
It is a story.
It is just a for 1 day.
Yeah, it is a 1 day run.
So there is a registration fee?
The registration fee is 100 rupees, and anyone who wishes to register themselves, they can, like I said, they can register through online mode by scanning the QR code which we have here. In this flyer, we have this QR code. One is for the registration link, and one is for the WhatsApp group. So for anyone wishing to register themselves, they can scan this QR code, and if also they have any difficulties scanning this QR code, they can reach us directly, be it to our Instagram page, Shillong Commerce College official Instagram page, or you can just contact us through the phone numbers that we have provided here in the poster.
Can you please mention the contact number?
Contact number. The contact number is mentioned here in the poster. The first contact number is 70854 64105, and the second contact number is 8413 939179. My name is Michael M. Thakur, and I am the coordinator of the Marathon Organizing Committee of the Diamond Jubilee celebration of Shillong Commerce College.
Shillong Commerce College, hello boy, hello Jing, Rakhe College, Jingdap, Snem, Diamond Jubilee celebration. Di kumagikit pa college lagi Shillong Commerce College, laseng nadu Snem, karena spa dia punya di kelas Snem. Tentang dia katakan, karena jauh sedang tak apa revolusi. Di kecil semua hingga bagi seni di college, idong seni dan pusang kalau nak mendak gunung ban kentil jaga pilih putih, hamilha kajelah Meghalaya Juni. Di kantor itu pun kalian juga komas di bandar lesi, di kampuna di college bandar di kecil seni di college kalau Pensyuri di sama pulih dan kata Juni kenapa kita nak dapat pulih jaga lain kalian coba komas. Di harta kajian di jom ke college di Jubilee si dan si pun bak di at kita kembali masuk kajian di nama apa harga sistem juga college kembali masuk dan jom lagi sama pulih lagi kena wan pulih harga sudah masuk. Henry kerja ngayat isi di bawah, langsung coba semua kita sedang wan banyak puli, banyak hikmat, siapa puli jaga subjek kakak komas. Di hadu ketiga Snem pemerintah, kalian juga les, dengan prinsipal kalian management, gila konkret, umum Rakhe Jingdap. Ribus dan juga lasib serta arja anunya. Di hari kejadian dalam sipun pak kecil cuma dalam college nomor bang susu pak ika bangilan ka lombek na kamata kajin ai jimentoy na ka imlam salam jom kajak di jumi mate kasi di bawai ti akhir di Snem akhir di sini peladan na kalian cukup kolak sekolah ada teman-teman gue yang juga di Pynlong yang kajin tungdien haki arti kejaga kata gue yang mau pan atau gue pan mau pan sorry atau gue pan antai aku Shillong mau lebih dia jadi lale kata kajin Pynlong jom ka forest pandan jom soka dalam kalaya juni di untuk semua juni hari nanti taksi kadang kau ibat kapan waktu kapan kalau kajin dan jom kajin Mareh tarot nak benda sepuluh bisa di hak kita Jingdap mana kita kajin Mareh waktu kapan kalau nilai mau kasih kapaten ne kajuk jong kajing nam sista kajing pukupo ya kalawai kajing di Shillong educating generations empowering futures di kata kadai nak mata jongka tim jongka sebab buka diamond Jubilee selection di nampak ketika ron mate nampak ron kapan dan tim juga ron belum kajing ko jingkia ha kajing ko jibaka mental health di kadang suka kalau ketaruh kadang sekolah kelomba takoi kapan lo kajing pokok ya disama kajing berkelain ya kajing ko jibaka empowering youth strengthening mind kata kadai katim namtaka ni karon kebat selong haga aku atrik jumlah los araja aku rio kunta nakalian juga kolej semua principal management di berbuai itu naikkai di depan di ngusung Snem terjadi persidangan sama ramba lalu di school di kolej bagi suha pandewan bersih bertahan nak kebentar kita jika mau pergi kita jin Mareh ba Shillong kita